block president, then the youth president, and then corporators. They are all of them stood behind me, stood thick and thin. But I am just trying. The hardcore BJP voters did not accept me. They voted against me. So they thought even Parrikar comes make no difference to them. So that is the reason he could get Soni. Otherwise, no chance he could get this kind of. Because I also have contested independent earlier, and I also have lost. So simple as that. But I am just trying to see, let us quell that, what is that, dynasty, that, what do you say, sympathy and all, legacy, dynasty, whatever you say, dynasty, legacy, and all, that is all dead. There is no this thing. It is only by default you got this vote because of this debate. Now I believe we all will work together. Now we got to earn this thing, There's 5 years. Okay. I will get them in my fold. The rest is sure. Okay.
पहिल्या टायमाला तुम्ही काँग्रेस आला मागे तुम्ही बीजेपी तरी पण लोक म्हणताले की बीजेपी
आम्ही प्रूफ करू आता आम्ही कितें प्रूफ केलें पयलें सद्या आमकां तालिगांव जाता तालिगांव म्हणटा तें केन्नाच भारतीय जनता पार्टी केन्नाच तेंचे फ्लॅग मिलियन मेंबर्स कितले पाटी ट्राय केले केला की ना सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम that Bharatiya Janata Party has put its flag in Taliban. So that means you to tell you that people accept even Catholics. There is nothing called Catholics this and all. See, people should be your supporter. आमकां कितें थोडे म्हणलें थोड्यांचे कॅथलिकाचे डिफरन्सीस आसले ते म्हणटाले अशें बीजेपी मारवा थोड्यांक आमी कळ्ळें जालें बरोबर तूं आमकां पळय तुका तर कोटेन नाही जाता बट अल्टिमेटली कोण कितें पार्टी पक्षान आमी बीजेपी तुम्ही काम करूंक येतले आमचे कडेन खंयच्या पक्षाक कडेन काम करूंक येतले न्हू यू शूड अंडरस्टँड दॅट
सो इट इज लायक मंत्राजू नॉट अ पार्टी वे
No, I am not saying that. Party, see, I am saying the voters did not support me. And the party basically has done little basically to quell this thing of them. What was steaming inside, no? They have not done much. Maybe they were busy in some other thing. They had their work also. I cannot blame them.